How to crossplay Rainbow Six Siege on PS4 and PC. Rainbow Six Siege, developed by Ubisoft, is a widely acclaimed online tactical shooter game enjoyed by millions globally across various platforms like Windows PC, PlayStation 4, which is PS4, Xbox, and more. Playing with friends enhances the Rainbow Six Siege experience, while playing together on the same platform is seamless. Pondering over the crossplay aspect becomes crucial if friends are on the different platforms. The game boasts over 70 million active users, solidifying its position as a top FPS title in the gaming world. Rainbow Six Siege offers a crossplay functionality for the players on the diverse system, built with the certain restrictions currently in place. Ubisoft has hinted at forthcoming changes to enhance this feature. The game supports crossplay between the PC, Stadia, Luna, Xbox, and PS4, enabling players to engage cross-compatible platforms. Notably, crossplay within the same console family is supported. For instance, PS4 and PS5 players can team up, as can Xbox gamers. The game allows crossplay between the Xbox and PS4, fostering unified gaming experience regardless of the platform differences. However, crossplay between the PC and Xbox, as well as between the PC and PS4, remains absent due to the distinct hardware requirements. Matchmaking restrictions apply when attempting a crossplay between consoles and PC. To activate crossplay, linking Siege progression to the Ubisoft Connect is necessary. This enables a crossplay between the PS4 and PS5 or the Xbox Series. By following simple steps under account management, players can establish the link and enjoy the limited crossplay features within the same console family. While not as extensive as full crossplay across all platforms, Rainbow Six Siege crossplay within the console families adds an extra layer of excitement. Toggling the crossplay settings within the game allows players to customize their gaming experience seamlessly. So this is all about how to play Rainbow Six Siege on PS4 and PC. If you found this guide to be helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching, happy gaming, and see you in the next video.